everyone, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Beauty Girls Cracks में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyles. Today I will show you beautiful bob haircut ideas. Haircuts will change your personality and volume to your hair. So my dear friends, let us talk about today's trendy fashions about hairs. Haircuts, hair color and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different styles and different sizes. Like layer cutting, shaggy haircuts, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer cuts, long layer haircuts, fine haircuts, curly haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob cuts, step cutting and much more ideas. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members. And all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kinds of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much you are watching my videos. Once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel and like my all videos. Take care yourself. See you soon with new collections, new ideas and new trendy fashion about hairs. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Keep on watching. Till then, take care. Today, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.